Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of updating your relationship status to separated on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're making a personal update or simply keeping your profile current, these easy steps will guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look to the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, locate and click on the About section. This is where all your personal details are stored and can be edited. Now scroll down until you find the Family and Relationship section. Click on it to open the details related to your relationship status. Next to your current relationship status, you'll see a small edit icon. It looks like a pencil. Click on that icon to make changes. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for relationship statuses. From this list, select Separated to reflect your current situation. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your relationship status has now been updated to Separated. Keeping your profile information accurate is a great way to stay transparent with friends and family on Facebook. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow guides.